Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Linksys Max-Stream MR6350 AC1300 router step by step. We'll cover connecting it to your modem, powering it on, and completing the setup using the Linksys app or web browser. Let's get started. Connect the router to your modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the MR6350 to your modem. Ensure the modem is powered on and connected to the internet. Power on the router. Plug the MR6350 into a power outlet and wait for it to power on. The power LED should light up. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Open your computer or mobile device's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, of the MR6350 router. The default SSID and password can be found on the label at the bottom of the router. Access the router's web-based setup page. Open a web browser and enter http://192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Press Enter to access the router's web-based setup page. Follow the setup instructions. Choose the option for mesh networking and select the MR6350 router as the primary node. Create a unique network name, SSID, and password for your mesh network. Complete the setup. Follow the prompts on the screen to configure the mesh network and connect to other compatible nodes. Ensure the nodes are within range for optimal performance. If you are unable to set up your Linksys Max-Stream MR6350 AC1300 router or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.